Most contractors looking at AI estimating tools are asking the wrong question. They ask, can this software replace my estimator? But here's the truth no one tells you. That's not what makes AI estimating valuable in the first place. The real value is speed, consistency, and reducing expensive mistakes before they happen. And that's exactly why Contractor is getting attention in 2026. In this video, I'll explain what Contractor actually does, whether the AI estimating features are truly useful, who should avoid it completely, and the biggest mistake contractors make when trying AI construction software. And later, I'll show you the one workflow where AI estimating can save contractors massive amounts of time every single week. So let's get straight into it. First, what is Contractor? Contractor is an AI-focused construction estimating platform designed to help contractors speed up takeoffs, estimating workflows, and bid preparation. The goal is simple: reduce manual estimating work. That's the big promise. Now here's where things get interesting. Many contractors hear AI estimating and immediately assume the software magically creates perfect bids automatically. That's not realistic. And this is where most people fail. AI estimating tools are assistants, not replacements for construction experience. That distinction matters enormously. Now, imagine Jake runs a mid-sized remodeling company. Every week, his team spends hours reviewing plans, measuring quantities, and building estimates manually. That process creates bottlenecks constantly. An AI-assisted workflow could dramatically reduce repetitive tasks there. That's the real use case. Now in a minute, I'll show you the exact type of contractor who benefits most from AI estimating software like Contractor. But first, let's continue. So is Contractor actually worth it? For the right contractor, potentially, yes. Especially businesses dealing with high bid volume, repetitive estimating workflows, and time-consuming quantity takeoffs. Speed matters massively in competitive bidding environments, because faster estimating often means more bids submitted, faster client responses, and better operational efficiency. Now here's the problem. Many contractors expect AI to eliminate all human review. That's dangerous. Construction estimating still requires judgment, pricing knowledge, scope understanding, and field experience. AI can accelerate workflows, but contractors still need oversight. Now, imagine Alex receives 10 bid opportunities weekly. Manually estimating every project creates operational stress and delays. If AI tools help pre-organize takeoffs and reduce repetitive calculations, the team can focus more energy on pricing strategy and project review. That's where the real productivity gain happens. Now here's where things get interesting again. The biggest value from AI estimating is often not raw speed. It's consistency. Human estimators get tired. They overlook details. They rush under deadline pressure. AI-assisted workflows can help standardize processes. That operational consistency matters enormously over time. Now let's discuss where AI estimating tools struggle. Complex custom scopes. This is important. Projects with unusual conditions, high customization, or incomplete drawings still require strong human interpretation. That's why contractors expecting one-click perfect estimates usually end up disappointed. AI is strongest when supporting structured workflows, not replacing critical thinking. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest hidden risk contractors ignore when adopting AI estimating software. But first, let's continue. Another major factor is learning curve. Some contractors assume AI software automatically becomes easier than traditional estimating systems. That's not always true. Teams still need workflow training, quality control processes, and operational consistency. Without those, software adoption falls apart quickly. Now imagine John buys AI estimating software, but never standardizes how the company reviews estimates. Different employees use the tool differently. Pricing logic becomes inconsistent. Mistakes slip through. Suddenly, the software creates confusion instead of efficiency. This happens constantly. Now here's the hidden risk I mentioned earlier. Overtrusting automation. That's a massive issue. The smartest contractors use AI as a second set of eyes, not the final decision maker. That mindset creates much safer operational workflows. Now let's talk about who should seriously consider Contractor. Contractors handling large bid volume, repetitive estimating workflows, commercial projects, or scaling operations. These companies usually gain the most from workflow acceleration, especially if estimating delays are already hurting business growth. Now here's where things get interesting again. Smaller contractors sometimes buy advanced AI estimating tools before fixing basic operational problems first. That's backwards. If your estimating process is already chaotic, AI may amplify that chaos instead of solving it. Foundational systems still matter. Now imagine a contractor without clear pricing systems, organized scopes, or consistent workflows. AI cannot magically fix operational disorganization. That's important to understand. Now, let's discuss another major benefit: competitive speed. In construction, response time matters. Clients often contact multiple contractors at once. The company responding fastest with a clear estimate frequently gains a major advantage. That operational speed can become extremely valuable. Now here's the problem. Many contractors focus only on software features instead of actual workflow improvement. The smarter question is, will this reduce friction inside my business? That's what truly matters. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to evaluate whether AI estimating software is actually helping your business. But first, let's continue. One smart way to evaluate Contractor is measuring time saved per estimate. That's a practical metric. If the software reduces estimating time significantly while maintaining accuracy, the operational value becomes very clear. That's how smart contractors evaluate software. ROI. Not by hype. Not by buzzwords. By workflow improvement. Now here's where things get interesting. Construction technology in 2026 is shifting toward hybrid workflows. Human expertise plus AI assistance. That combination is becoming much more common across the industry. And contractors adapting early may gain operational advantages over slower competitors. Now let's answer the practical question directly. Is Contractor worth it for AI estimating? For contractors managing frequent estimates and repetitive workflows, it can absolutely provide meaningful time savings and consistency improvements. But contractors expecting fully automated perfect estimates without human oversight will likely be disappointed. That's the real answer. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Contractor focuses on AI-assisted estimating workflows designed to reduce manual work and improve efficiency. The biggest value comes from speed, consistency, and workflow acceleration, not replacing experienced estimators completely. Now here's the biggest takeaway. AI estimating works best when paired with strong operational systems and experienced human review. That's the winning combination. So here's the bottom line. If estimating bottlenecks are slowing your business down, Contractor may absolutely be worth exploring. But the smartest contractors treat AI as a productivity tool, not a replacement for construction expertise. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with whether you'd trust AI to help estimate your next construction project. And if you want, I can also compare the best AI estimating software platforms for contractors next.